Hello people, hi. Hello people, hi. So yeah, hi again. Hi everyone again. Hi. Hey guys. Oh, content. Ha. Hi. Hello everyone. Hi. Hello guys. Hi. Hi. My name is Avika. Yeah. And yeah. Hi. Hi guys. So today we're going to do this taste test of the Harry Potter apa?
Bertie bots.
Bertie box. Bertie box.
Bots. Bertie bots.
Bertie bots. No idea. Never fan of Harry Potter anyway. So here, this is my little sister.
Hi.
Hi. Just take randomly one of it.
Yeah.
Pink color is what?
I can't remember what's the taste, but it's nice.
It's supposed to be what and what? It's in Japanese.
I'm not sure.
You take one too.
I'll try this
But
one.
we don't have any puke box. Wait, tissue. 1, 2, 3. Sedap.
Wait till you get the nasty ones.
This is nice.
Of course lah.
One tu color turquoise.
This one?
Nah. Tu mesti can dog.
No. Yeah, that one is in the pink boozle. They don't have
Oh.
it that in this one. Wait, I'll try and Google what's the taste.
No, it's supposed to be surprise.
Okay. It's like so awkward.
Very awkward. I'll try this next one.
Toothpaste?
No. Huh? Huh?
Don't care, I just want to Google it anyways.
Sedap je. But it tastes weird. It's like chemical or something. But minty kind of flavor. Sugary.
Wait.
Shaving cream or something. No. No. Not bad.
Wait. I'm trying.
Not bad at all.
Okay.
What is that?
They have
The turquoise one.
soap.
Why doesn't this taste like soap?
Yelah, this one right?
No, it's the turquoise thingy.
Yeah, this one right?
It's a soap.
Huh.
Stop.
So you can eat soap.
I'm gonna try the red ones.
Oh, it could be nice or it couldn't.
Licorice.
I think it's either licorice or chili powder. Does it taste something like
Yang
that?
jatuh ni. Well, it doesn't taste like chili powder or licorice. It tastes like cinnamon or something. Oh, okay. It's get very pedas.
Chili powder, cinnamon, chocolate, coconut. Coffee.
Cinnamon kot. Where? But it's spicy.
Can anyone read Japanese?
No one watch my vlog, way. No one watch.
Okay, I'll try. But I'm
Oi.
scared. Okay, this one is lemon.
Why? That's cheating, man.
I've eaten it. I've eaten actually the nasty one, so I'm not
I'm
gonna
trying
do it
this
again.
Green thing.
Definitely not gonna do it again. Yelah, soap lah.
Sedap
This
soap.
one. Right.
The green one also sedap. Apa tu?
This one. Green apple lah.
Di sebelah dia.
Grass.
No, it doesn't taste like grass. So
Maybe dia campur kot. Like not sure.
Maybe it tastes like grass. No idea.
Yeah, I have tasted grass. It tasted like grass.
So this tastes like what?
What does it taste like? Taste like macam lime?
No. I'll try the chocolate one.
Tengok. That one. Oh, that one. That one is okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, it's like greenish and chocolate. It looks creepy. Ah.
Watermelon, right?
Yes, it is watermelon. Nice. Recommended.
I think they just purposely put like the same color of jelly beans, but one might be the nice one might be the nasty one. Because I have tasted this one. One tasted like, I can't remember what's the nasty one, but the other one tasted like banana, like toasted banana, something like that.
Toasted banana is not nice, right? I tried
Okay. I'm definitely going to cheat in this one.
the greyish, my kind of favorite color. Grey.
Good luck.
You. Oh.
Black pepper, right?
Yeah, it's black pepper. Not bad. When the flavor bursts in your tongue, it's like, oh my god, what is this?
Okay, I want to try this.
But it's eatable.
Soup.
The
That
soup is nice.
This one.
The color is nice. The taste of the soup is nice. So, it's a win-win situation. Oh, but it tastes good.
Oh.
It doesn't taste like soap. I think I tasted soap before. It's not that bad.
Yeah,
What
not
else?
that bad because I've tasted rotten egg and it's like gives me headache for the rest of the day. It's like so.
Another one. It's a pinkish
Oh.
color. Oh, interesting. Not sponsored by Starbucks anyway. This is nice.
What?
The pinkish one.
Oh, tutti frutti.
Very nice. I like it. Including on the watermelon one. Recommended. The pepper ni memang it's memang black pepper lah.
I think
Which one is the rotten egg? The blue one is what?
it's nice. I'm not sure what, but I think it's something like blueberry. I think
Maybe rotten egg.
maybe.
Maybe you can see me puke.
Janganlah makan like one at once.
Oh! No, it doesn't. Rotten eggs taste like this?
I'm not sure. Or maybe I give you, but it tastes nasty, right?
Bearable.
Really?
I want the tutti frutti. No, I want the watermelon one.
This one.
Good eye. Rotten eggs not that bad. Not that bad.
Maybe you can finish all this lah.
Can I bring toffees?
Tak boleh.
Please. Tak sedap. Ew.
Dirt kot.
Itu tak
Yang tu
sedap.
tak sedap. Gigit sikit je. Jangan gigit
Mau
semua.
sedap je.
Memang. Gigit sikit je, please. Listen to me for once. Kan? Rotten egg kan? Betul lah. Rotten egg. This one lah yang that I ate. Aku dah buangkan dah untuk kau. Air.
Kakak tak saja. Oh my god. That's so disgusting.
Nah, makan ni. Nah, sup. Suka sangat sup kan?
Sup.
Tapi tinggal satu je sup. Bagi Lena makan sup.
Lena makan sup. Oh, alah. Vibrate pula.
Masa suruh jap.
Lena.
Sekejap, sabarlah. Belum start lagi tu.
Hands free lah, hands free.
2. Nampak sikit masuk dalam muka.
Dia pun tak
Okay.
Lena.
Kita
Cepat
orang-
balik.
Tak tahu lah cukup lagi tak.
Ni. Cepat. Sedap yang ni.
Muka aku. Last.
Okay, it's already 10 minutes now. I'm gonna edit it. I'm gonna post it in social media. So see you guys. Bye.